Are you ready to be part of a global movement that drives social change and impacts the economy? If your answer is yes, then do stay tuned. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Kazini Talks. This is a space where we get to learn, grow, and live a purposeful life. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, you're very welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Nicole. And for all my returning subscribers, I'm so excited to have you guys here yet again. Thank you so much for continuing to share my videos, for continuing to like and subscribing. I thank you so much, guys, for your support. I definitely do encourage you to continue doing the same because I bring you lots of amazing opportunities over here. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys yet another amazing conference. And by the way, if you don't know, this is the Conference Talks series where I get to share with you guys a lot of exclusive conference opportunities for you to be able to gain that international exposure and, international work experience at the same time. So if this is your kind of vibe or your kind of content, then you're definitely tuned into the right channel because this is where I spill all the tea in. So without rambling too much, let's just dive into it. The Global Change Summit 2024 is a platform that's designed to empower, equip young leaders and future change makers just like yourself in order to be able to come together to discuss a lot of impactful opportunities. So this year, this summit is going to be hosted in Casablanca, Morocco, where all the future world leaders are going to come in to discuss and work towards contributing a social impact. So I'm going to walk you guys through the website so that you can have all the information and the details on how to apply for this amazing conference that's going to be happening in Morocco. So without rambling too much, let's dive in and I'll show you everything about it. This is the website for the Global Policy and Dialogue Organization. So when you scroll down the Global Change Summit date, the application is closing in 5 days. Okay, so when you scroll down here, you're going to read a little bit about it. So it's a dynamic platform designed for empowerment, collaboration, and transformative change, where delegates will gain insights into leadership strategies and practices, equipping them to become more effective leaders in their communities and beyond. So I'm not going to read the whole entire thing, but this is just an overview of how the website looks like, and you can read more details for yourself. So these are the objectives over here, and these are some of the things that are going to be covered during the conference. Then who can join us? So it's open to anyone passionate about making a difference, whether you're a high school student, college student, young professional, community leader. The forum is for you. So do not miss the opportunity to be part of a global movement that values youth's voices and drives social impact. So these are the details for you to register. So if you want the summit access only, meaning being granted access to only attending this summit, then it's $179. And this is what it entails. So it entails visa invitation letter and assistance for the program, meals during the summit activities, exclusive networking opportunities with speakers and experts, access to all sessions, workshops and events, impact stories and keynote speeches, program merchandise, interaction with global change makers, certificate of participation, and the opportunity to explore Moroccan culture. And if you want the fully funded offer, so you will have to pay the $15.9 application fees, which comes with visa invitation letter, round trip airfare included, foster shared accommodation, meals during the summit activities, exclusive networking opportunities with speakers and experts, access to all sessions, workshops and events, impact stories and keynote speeches, program merchandise, interaction with global change makers, certificate of participation, and the opportunity to explore the Moroccan culture. And then self-funded, if you want to pay for yourself, then this is the fee that you're going to pay, $549. and it comes with inclusive of all these extra benefits for you. So these are the different details. You can just click on any of them depending on which category you want, and then you click on register now. So this is how the application form looks like. You'll need to put in your name, date of birth, gender, nationality, country of residence, working language, your contact information, residential country, city, email address, phone number. And if you have any special needs or requirement, you can put that here. Do you need a visa to travel to Morocco? You can click on any of the options, yes or no. So if it's a yes, you'll need to put your passport details, date of birth, place of birth, passport number, etc. If no, then you'll not need to fill in that option. And then professional experience, you'll put in your current occupation, your organization, job title, years of experience, and the key responsibilities and achievements. How did you hear about the summit? This is required, so you can click any of the options here, either on social media, the search engine, opportunities sharing websites, or through friends or colleagues, whatever it is, and other. And then you'll click on the declaration and both declarations, of course, and then you'll click on proceed, which takes you now to the other last page where you're supposed to pay. So unfortunately, I'm not able to proceed to the next page because I need to fill in all these details, but at least I've already given you a brief nutshell of how the application form looks like. And once you fill all that and you proceed, then I believe the next option should also ask you a few questions, and then you'll proceed and pay depending on the category that you've chosen. So that is it. And also it has got some opportunities over here. So when you click up here on get involved, there are two options. So there's register as a partner. If you want to become a partner for them, then you'll need to fill in this form. And if you want to register as a volunteer, meaning volunteering for them because they're passionate about youth empowerment and social change, so they offer exciting opportunities for individuals who want to contribute their skills and time and be a youth advocate. So you can fill in these details, this form over here with your information, and you is the brief form for the volunteer registration form. So once you're done, submit it and you can wait for them to get back to you. So in a nutshell, that's how the process looks like, and I hope you have it's now clear for you. So I wish you all the very best. So there you have it, guys. The Global Change Summit 2024 is set to be an amazing event that's going to be packed with a lot of workshops, trainings, mentoring opportunities, as well as networking opportunities, and even the chance for you to explore the beautiful city of Casablanca in Morocco. So the deadline is 7th October 2024, just as I mentioned for you guys as well when we were looking at the website. So I'm sure if this is something that you're interested in, then you wouldn't want to miss it. So take note of this deadline and start working on your application right away. So that was it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. If you have any other video suggestions or opportunities that you're aware of and you'd love for me to bring them over here and share with you guys in this channel, then do leave them in the comments below. And if you have any questions, do leave them as well in the comments. I'll be sure to respond to them. And in case if you want to connect with me one-on-one on a personal level, then you can reach out to me on my Instagram, which will be over here. And if you need any support, on crafting the applications and things of that sort, still do reach out to me on Instagram, and I'll also leave a link to my store in the description box so that you can get to purchase my service over there and work with me one-on-one. So that was it, guys. I do encourage you to please do the usual, continue to share my videos, subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you in the next